Most people are using AI the wrong way. They type a few words, hit enter, and wonder why the answer feels flat. But what if I told you that one simple change in how you ask could transform AI from an average assistant into a personal teacher, programmer, or business coach? In this video, I will walk you step by step through prompt engineering, the act of asking AI the right way. By the end, you will know exactly how to write prompts that get you better answers faster, whether you are learning English, coding, or growing your business. Think about it. If you ask me, tell me about English, I could talk for hours. But if you ask me, give me 10 eyes speaking questions about technology with precise answers, suddenly the result is clear, useful, and actionable. That's exactly how AI works. Vague in, vague out. Precise in, powerful answers out. So today, I'm going to teach you a simple 4-step framework to master prompts. Step 1. Define your goals. What you really want. Example. Help me practice IELTS speaking part 1 questions. Or write Python code for a login system. Or create 3 Facebook ads for a new English course. Step 2. Provide context. AI is smart, but it doesn't know your level or situation unless you tell it. Example, I'm an intermediate learner preparing for ICE. Or I'm a beginner in Python and need comment in the code. Step 3. Add structure and style. Decide how you want the answers delivered. Example, give me the answer in a table format. Or write it like a friendly teacher. Or make it a short LinkedIn post with hashtags. Step 4. Iterate and refine. Don't stop at the first answer. Always say, now improve it by adding examples. Make it shorter. Write it for kids. That's how you polish your results until they shine. Now, let's see this framework in real life. I will use an ESL example for IELTS practice. Here's a exact prompt I will use. You are an IELTS examiner. Ask me one part 2 speaking question about technology. Wait for my answer. Then grade me with band descriptor and give grammar fluency feedback. Notice how it's clear, specific, and rule-based. Okay, I will paste in my prompt right here. You are an IELTS examiner. Ask me one part 2 speaking question about technology. Wait for my answer. Then grade me with band descriptors and give grade fluency feedback. Let's send our prompt. Okay, this is our answer right here. Describe a piece of technology you find useful. Okay, let me try to answer the question. A piece of technology I found useful is my laptop. My laptop is extremely very important for me because I do all my work on my laptop. I'm an entrepreneur, so I use my laptop every single day to create videos for my YouTube channel. I think my laptop is the greatest piece of technology of the 21st century. Okay, guys, look, this is my grade. Eh? I'm being graded. Fluency, band 6. You speak fluently, but very briefly. Your ideas were clear, but underdeveloped. You don't expand enough with examples. You see how effective that is? With just one precise prompt, AI become my examiner, wait for my response, and give me real feedback. That's the power of goal, context, structure, and refined. Now, let's take a coding example. Watch how adding context, structure, makes the output much more useful. Here's the prompt I'll use. Write Python code for a student grading system. Add comments to explain each function. Then, suggest how to scale for 1,000 students. Let's paste in a coding example. This is a prompt. Write Python code for a student grading system. Add comments to explain each function, then suggest how to scale for 1000 students. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is a code. These are the comments. This is the recommendation on how to scale. That's powerful. The AI didn't just give us code, it explained every function and even suggested how to handle bigger data. That's the difference between a vague request and a structured, well-refined prompt. Let's try a business example. Imagine you are launching an English course in Vietnam. Instead of struggling with art copy, you can use a precise prompt to generate different tones instantly. Let's paste in a prompt for the business example. Okay, as you can see, these are art. Okay, formal, emotional, and funny. You see how powerful that is? With one well-structured prompt, I instantly got 3 art styles to choose from. That's the power of goal, structure, and refine. It saves time and spark ideas you might never think of. All right, a quick recap before we wrap up. Step 1, goals. Define what you want. Step 2, context. Tell AI your situation. Step 3, structure. Decide the format or style. And step 4, refined. Polish it until it shines. Framework equal better prompts, better results. That's it. 4 steps that transform the way you work with AI. If carefully applied, your results will never be the same again. Now is your turn. Write a prompt using this framework. Try it out and then post it in the comment. I will review the best one in my next video. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants better AI results. This is just the beginning. In the next video, I will show you advanced hack to go even further. See you there.